Welcome to the non-sleep deep rest meditation, a unique practice designed to offer deep relaxation and rejuvenation without the need for sleep. In this immersive experience, we'll guide you through a series of techniques to help your body and mind enter a state of profound restfulness and renewal. Begin by finding a comfortable position sitting up. Allow your body to settle into a relaxed posture. Close your eyes gently and take a few deep breaths, allowing each inhale to fill you with a sense of calmness and each exhale to release any tension or stress that you may be holding on to. Now, let's begin our relaxation with a simple breathing technique. Place one hand on your chest and the other on your abdomen. As you breathe in, feel your abdomen rise, allowing your diaphragm to fully expand. As you breathe out, feel your abdomen fall, gently pushing the air out of your lungs. Continue to breathe this way, allowing each breath to be slow, deep, and effortless. As you continue to breathe deeply, bring your awareness to your body and notice any areas of tension or discomfort. With each breath, imagine sending a wave of relaxation to those areas, allowing them to soften and release. Now, let's shift our focus to the mind. As thoughts arise, simply acknowledge them without judgment and let them pass like clouds in the sky. Bring your attention back to your breath, using it as an anchor to keep you grounded in the present moment. As we settle into this state of deep rest, let us explore the concept of non-doing. Non-doing is the art of simply being, without the need to achieve or accomplish anything. Allow yourself to let go of any expectations or goals and surrender to the experience of simply being here, now. As you rest in this state of non-doing, allow yourself to become aware of the subtle sensations in your body, the rise and fall of your chest with each breath. The gentle beating of your heart, the sensation of warmth and heaviness spreading throughout your limbs. Now, let's deepen our relaxation by incorporating a body scan. Starting from the top of your head, slowly scan down through your body, bringing your attention to each part and consciously relaxing it as you go. Take a moment to scan from your head all the way down to your toes. Feel the tension melting away with each breath, leaving you feeling lighter, more peaceful, and completely at ease. Allow yourself to rest in this state of deep relaxation for as long as you'd like, knowing that you are nourishing your body, mind, and soul with each moment of stillness. Now that we've reached a deeper level of relaxation, let's explore the power of visualization. Imagine yourself in a beautiful, tranquil place. A peaceful beach, a serene forest, or any other location that brings you a sense of calm and tranquility. Picture yourself surrounded by beauty and light, feeling completely at peace and at one with your surroundings. As you immerse yourself in this visualization, notice how it feels to be fully present in this moment of stillness and serenity. Allow yourself to soak up the beauty and tranquility of your surroundings, feeling deeply nourished and refreshed with each breath. Now, let's take a moment to cultivate gratitude for this experience of deep rest and relaxation. Reflect on all of the blessings in your life, the people, the experiences, and the simple joys that bring you happiness and fulfillment. Feel a sense of gratitude welling up within you, filling your heart with warmth and appreciation. As we prepare to conclude this NSDR meditation, take a moment to express gratitude for yourself and this time you've dedicated to rest and rejuvenation. Know that by prioritizing your well-being in this way, you are setting the stage for greater health, happiness, and vitality in your life. Thank you for joining us for the non-sleep, deep rest meditation. May you carry this sense of deep relaxation and renewal with you as you return to your day, knowing that you can tap into this state of restfulness whenever you need it. If you enjoyed this meditation, kindly like and subscribe for more videos like this. Until next time, be well, my friend.